Robert reads.
Here are some tips to ensure you have an eco-friendly Halloween. First off, the pumpkin. Don't forget to scoop out the insides and make something delicious with it. Pie, cookies, risotto, the list is endless. And then, if you carve your jack-o'-lantern rather than painting it, then it can be composted. Get crafty with your decorations. Make some at home rather than buying plastic ones from the shops. And make sure those that you do have get used year after year. It's really important that you dispose of batteries correctly too. I've added some information below about that. As for costumes, reuse them and recycle them with friends. Buy from a second-hand store and get inventive. Don't let them end up in landfill. Look for recyclable wrappers for treats. Aluminium foil wrappers can be recycled. Just make sure you collect them all together and ball them up so you've got enough to recycle. I've added more information about that below as well. It's going to be a strange one this year, so make sure you have fun but stay safe. Happy Halloween!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.